here's a poem called King of Pretend by Phoenix Hart. It's quite angry. I love it. When I was little, I loved to pretend. If I ever got bored, boom, imaginary friend. But as I grow up, there seems to be no end to the tyrannical reign of the King of Pretend. He says, wasn't me, lots to do, great country. But that's not quite true. We pretend it's okay. We pretend it's fine. We smile and move on, just waiting in line, waiting for escape, waiting for hope, waiting for the ones in charge to see how we cope. But there's a time for pretense and a time for action. You can light the spark, start the chain reaction. We can stop inequality. We can stop all the hate. Charge to the castle, break down the gate, run up the stairs, climb up the ivory tower, topple the king, take away his power, remove his government, drive them round the bend, for we together can defeat the King of Pretend. How about that? Isn't that fabulous?